Hey everyone, welcome back to the I Survive Thrive channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of survival prepping. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, understanding the essentials can make all the difference. First up, let's talk about the bug-out bag. This is your go-to kit for when you need to leave quickly. Pack it with items like food, water, a first aid kit, and multi-tools. Emergency preparedness is key here. Next, consider your emergency kit. It should include a flashlight, batteries, and important documents. Don't forget portable medical kits and basic survival gear. Prepper essentials also include a good water filtration system and fire-starting tools. Survival skills are just as crucial. Knowing how to start a fire, purify water, and basic first aid can save lives. These are foundational skills in Survival 101. Lastly, make sure you're up to date on prepping for beginners tips and stay informed about potential emergencies. Being prepared means you're ready for anything. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.